Today I'm going to show you how to add overlays in CapCut. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to add some overlays to a video clip. So let's just say, for example, we've got this video clip and this is what this looks like. And if we want to add an overlay, this means that it will play above this video or over this video. So we're going to take this one here, click down and drag it, and you'll see that now if I put it above that, you will be able to now see that only. Now what you can do on the right hand side is if you come down here, click on video, and you'll see blend. And here you'll be able to change the opacity. So let's just say we want to slowly, say from here, we're going to make it 100. And here we are going to make it, let's say we're going to fade it to 50%. Ultimately, this is what it's going to look like. Slowly but surely, you're going to see the clip that's underneath come through, and the clip at the top is going to fade. Now, of course, you can make whatever changes you need to make here. And then what you can do is you can change the blend mode. So here's brighten, screen, and a bunch of other ones. So if you go to overlay, that's what it will look like. Now you can see that they're both playing. And that is essentially how you will use that overlay.